In the world, every mother is worried about their children's immunity. So I thought to make this app Mr. Immunity, where a character will teach the kids in my free time. Like I used to wake up early to make my app. In the evening, at night, I used to stay till late and I used to wake up early. So in my free time, mostly I used to make Mr. Immunity. In my app, we convert those lines into poem like broccoli, broccoli, eat it. Anything you're scared of, beat it.
It is rightly said that maturity and intelligence never depend on age, wherein today most of the children are disturbed due to corona pandemic, as they are not allowed to go to school, to explore the outside, and they have to spend their whole time in their home. But there are few children who are utilizing this time and taking it as an opportunity to grow and develop their skills. And one of the best example of this is a 9-year-old girl from our city who has made the immunity booster app and made her parents, teachers and our city proud. So here I have with me Mahira Goyal. Hi Mahira.
Hi ma'am.
So Mahira, who prompted you to make this immunity booster app?
In the world, every mother is worried about their children's immunity. So I thought to make this app Mr. Immunity, where a character will teach the kids how to take care of their immunity, how important it is to eat healthy food from their childhood in a fun way.
So Mahira, who assisted you in making this app, or what were your learning sources?
First, I was keen to learn coding. I was always confused at how they used to make apps. So my mother made me join this course at White Hat Junior, where they teach us coding, and there is a competition, Silicon Valley Challenge, or out of 1200 students they select top 50 and I was selected in that, so my app got published.
So Mahira, was your family okay with you investing time in making this app?
They were happy that I was making this app.
So did it affect your studies?
No, not at all. I used to do online classes and I used to make 1 hour for my studies.
So how you juggle out your time in making this app or doing studies?
Like in my free time, like I used to wake up early to make my app. In the evening, at night, I used to stay till late and I used to wake up early. So in my free time, mostly I used to make my app.
So Mahira, tell us about your app and what are its benefits?
So first, before I made this app, I created this character Mr. Immunity. See this one character. He has 5 thorns in his head of 5 colors. So like mothers say, broccoli you should eat and it will beat all your fears. But Mr. Immunity, in my app, we convert those lines into poem like broccoli, broccoli, eat it. Anything you're scared of, beat it. So like I made jingles for every alphabet, every healthy food. So the benefits are, from childhood, the children will know how to take care of their immunity and they will always stay fit and healthy.
So Mahira, do you plan to make such more apps, or what are your future plans?
Yes, I'd love to make more apps. I'm already spending more of my time thinking for ideas, problems. So I'd love to make apps and I'm thinking of making many apps.
So here I have with me Mahira's mother, Manika Goyal. So ma'am, how do you feel about your child's achievement?
As a mother, definitely I'm feeling very proud and I'm feeling accomplished because I've seen my child doing hard work. Like she used to wake up at 6 a.m. because there was school also going on and she had her homeworks and she did not want to compromise on that. So definitely it's amazing feeling to see your child's blood and sweat, coming out in some accomplishment.
So ma'am, whom you want to thank for assisting your daughter in making this app?
First of all, definitely White Hat Junior, which taught her coding, and today she's a certified app developer. Second, I would like to thank Ms. Pooja Munchal, because this app being a nutrition based app, we could not give it without facts and authenticity. So Ms. Pooja Munchal is a dietitian in Ludhiana, nutritionist. Okay. So she was very, very kind and very warm to assist us with this app, like all the nutritional facts and all she gave us. And then Satpal Mittal School, to which my child belongs, we are proud Satyan, because they always encourage the child to go for their dreams and believe in themselves. So I guess the foundation has been very strong for my child. And definitely last but not the least, family support I think is the biggest thing. So entire environment around what you have has to be very supportive, and we've been lucky for that. And above all, definitely the supreme power, the God we believe in. So some part definitely works.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, what advice you want to give to the parents who always restrict their children?
One thing I think I would say here is that I have been a mother who's always let my child do what they want. Like we always read, like you should let your child, choose what they want. I've been one parent, and even like entire family, we've always chosen for our kids what they want. So we did the experiment right from when they were young. We did experiment a lot of things, but then I realized that my daughter is very creative. Like she also did create her own range of glue gun jewelry last year. So finding that creativity, I made her join coding. She used to really wonder what apps are like, how are they made. So definitely I always let her do what she wants and what she enjoys. And it's honestly an amazing feeling to see your child do it, because when they have the passion in them, so definitely they put their 100% in it.
Yes.
So definitely I would tell all the parents to let go your child. They have lots and lots and lots of potential in them.
Children like Mahira is an inspiration to our society. They teach us how to tackle the difficult situation and utilize it properly. So with that, I take a leave from you, and will be back with more interesting and amazing stories. Till then, keep watching The Summer News. ਵਧੇਰੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲਈ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰੋ ਸਾਡੇ Facebook ਪੇਜ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ Instagram ਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਨਾ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲਿਓ।